First, click on the settings button for the network you want to add or remove a magazine to or from. So I'm clicking on the settings button for the Jan's test network, and you can see here that those are the available magazines, and those are the magazines in this network. So by clicking on my magazines here, it will add the magazine into the network, and by clicking on in this network magazine in here in this list, will remove the network. So I'm just gonna add Small Business Edge to this Jan's test network, because that's where I am, and I'm just gonna click on it. It will load the information about Small Business Edge, and now I need to decide where the advertised link will be linked to. So I can link it to this network, or if the magazine will be would be part of a multiple networks, you would get the list in here, and then you can select the one that you want to have a default for that magazine. Or you can hide the advertising altogether in Small Business Edge. So I'm just gonna link it to this network. You click on the radio box and it'll update itself and it's gone. So that's how you add a magazine. To remove a magazine, I'm just gonna click on the magazine in this list. So I'm clicking on it, it'll remove it, it'll load it again, and now because Small Business Edge now is not in any network, you can see removed magazine is not in any network. I can decide to either enable Add Einstein, which is the default settings, or I don't have to show the advertising at all. So I'm just gonna show the default Add Einstein, and once it updates, all done. For adding and removing a magazine, you do not have to click update network, but I would recommend that you do every time you make any changes to a network. I would click the update network, and that's how you add and remove a magazine from a network.